Welcome back to my channel. Cornish Chris here, back up in Scotland for the first day of another Scottish adventure. You join me on the River Dee at a beat or fishery called Tilbouries, just near Tilbouries, about 4 or 5 miles away from Bankery where I'm staying. It's been an incredibly hot day, as it has been for pretty much everybody in the United Kingdom, as we've had heat wave upon heat wave. The next 3 days are shaping up to be really hot, cooling down towards the weekend. So maybe for the first 3 days of my fishing adventure, it's going to be fishing for a couple of hours in the evening. I came down here today, this morning, to meet a fantastic gillie, Nickel, and he expertly showed me around. Very friendly guy. I mean, they all have been up until this point. Very, very knowledgeable, good guy. Had a fantastic chat with him. Great, very interesting character. And so he's shown me the pools to fish on. It's like the Kelpie pool, and then Alfred's Pot. And there's another one which I've forgotten right now. So I'm just going to do that, but I have to wait until the sun goes down because it's just too hot otherwise. So it's given me a chance to walk Theo up and down the bank for a little bit, make sure he doesn't get too hot. We stopped fishing here at 11 o'clock this morning, started at just after 9, fished the Kelpie and the run and the pot. But only 20 minutes in each one, very, very quickly through. Took him on a nice walk. He went to the river, so he had a fun time. I have a feeling that out of this whole trip, he's going to be the one who has the best time. So thanks again for tuning in. I am a novice salmon fisherman, and here are my exploits. And if you enjoy this video, please do subscribe and give me a like as well. Give us a thumbs up. That'd be amazing. All right, take care and hope you enjoy. Okay, I'm going to move down to the last pool. What I fished this morning, I think it was called Alfred's Pot, maybe. There's only a small section of this that the ghillie said to fish, otherwise it slows down. I've just changed my tippet to like a intermediate tippet. Not tippet. Oh God, what am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? Not a leader. Oh, blimmin' heck. Well, I've put something that said intermediate. Oh, I've got the packet. No, it's in the car. God almighty. Well, anyway, I put on something called intermediate. It goes on the end of the fly line, and I can't remember what it is at the minute. Tip, that's it. Tip. Intermediate tip. Yeah. Intermediate tip. That's it. Wow. Love it. I'm not sure what to do because there's something really big down here jumping, and this bank's really steep. Fish down to that and then go back up because there's something big jumping above me. Of course, that's a pool I've just fished through. What to do? It's quite slow down here. I think it's trout. Yeah, lots of little trout jumping around down here. Could be a sea trout, of course. Getting really dark now. Right, well, Just coming on for 10 o'clock. Done a few hours. Nice to be out on the river, but I'm going to have to chalk Tilbouries up to a blank. Yeah. Last cast. Oh, dear. Yep, that's it. Beautiful evening, but for my first day on the Dee, nothing. It's a blank. Still, what a fantastic evening to be able to fish on. Now if I can just get back up to the car without falling in and breaking my leg. That'll be a good result. Right. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I bought my ticket for £75 through FishPal, and whilst I didn't get a full day of fishing because of the weather, I genuinely would say I've enjoyed today, even if most of it was spent inside. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed already, please do. And I look forward to bringing you more adventures from this mad sport. All right guys, take care.